Welcome back to Quick Smart Quiz. Can you guess these different fruits? It starts easy, but gets harder. Good luck. Before starting, please subscribe to this channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's start with the easy level. First question, guess this fruit. Apple. Guess this fruit. Banana. Guess this fruit. Orange. Guess this fruit. Mango. Guess this fruit. Grape. Guess this fruit. Pineapple. Guess this fruit. Watermelon. Guess this fruit. Strawberry. Guess this fruit. Lemon. Guess this fruit. Cherry. Guess this fruit. Peach. Guess this fruit. Pear. Guess this fruit. Papaya. Guess this fruit. Kiwi. Guess this fruit. Blueberry. Guess this fruit. Coconut. Guess this fruit. Plum. Guess this fruit. Raspberry. Guess this fruit. Avocado. Guess this fruit. Pomegranate. Guess this fruit. Dragon fruit. Guess this fruit. Lychee. Guess this fruit. Passion fruit. Guess this fruit. Starfruit. Guess this fruit. Guava. Guess this fruit. Fig. Guess this fruit. Persimmon. Guess this fruit. Tangerine. Guess this fruit. Mulberry. Guess this fruit. Gooseberry. Guess this fruit. Apricot. Guess this fruit. Clementine. Guess this fruit. Jackfruit. Guess this fruit. Nectarine. Guess this fruit. Date. Guess this fruit. Longan. Guess this fruit. Currant. Guess this fruit. Blackberry. Guess this fruit. Cranberry. Guess this fruit. Soursop. Next up is the hard level. Guess this fruit. Durian. Guess this fruit. Mangosteen. Guess this fruit. Salac. Guess this fruit. Rambutan. Guess this fruit. Sapodilla. Guess this fruit. Jabuticaba. Guess this fruit. Medlar. Guess this fruit. Miracle fruit. Guess this fruit. Bale fruit. Guess this fruit. Buddha's hand. Pick your next challenge and make sure you like and subscribe. And also, don't forget to share your score in the comments.